Welcome back, guys. Today we're going to open up a box that I won off of Hobby Shop NJ, Hobby Shop New Jersey. Got a pretty good deal on it on whatnot, so we're going to check out Big League Baseball 2024. So hopefully we can find a autograph in here. Sorry about my cat. But and also some of the top rookies: Ellie De La Cruz, Sal Frelick, and Henry Davis, of course, to name a few of them. But 8 cards per pack, 18 packs per box. Let's get into it. Hopefully everyone had a nice Easter. Lots of packs in these. Of course, there's going to be a lot of base. This is a good starter set for kids, but there's also some really good hits in here. So hopefully we get a nice auto out of this one. So promised New Hobby Shop New Jersey that I would let them know what I got. Let me go through the base real quick. You guys can see what it looks like. There you go, Parker Meadows rookie card. Mascot Chicago White Sox. A nice little insert, and I think there's a silver in every pack. We got Sonny Gray on this one. Cool. Got one rookie, one insert. Akira, you're gonna be in the video. Max Fried on the silver. Lawrence Butler rookie. Henry Davis rookie. There's one of the chases right there. Henry Davis. Wade Meckler. Hunter Goodman. Jake Rogers. Johnny DeLuca. And to the moon insert. Curtis Mead. It's for the Tampa Bay Rays. That's a nice little insert. Some of the stuff here. Rafael Devers on silver. To the moon, Christian Walker. Nice. For, I think, the Pirates. And then our rookies, Owen White. Kelenic. Another Curtis Mead. Get a few of these packs opened. Now let's get the ball rolling. Okay. Jason Dominguez, J-Dom for the Yankees. That's a nice rookie. Maeda, Cabrera. If you guys don't know, I'm a Tigers fan. There you go. Become a big leaguer. So basically scan the QR code, and I think you can have your own big league card in the set. So that's pretty cool. Good Vibrations, Trey Turner. Another insert. And a Lars Nootbaar silver. Nolan Schnau. Jorge Soler for the Fish, Miami Marlins. And a Gleyber Torres silver. Mascots, Redbird, Cool. And the Torque. Spencer Torkelson silver. Ooh, Ronald Acuna Jr. That's on the TBL. Nice. It's got some pretty creative inserts in this year. Eloy Jimenez on the silver. Alright, moving on. Ooh, Ronald Acuna. Chris Bryant. Jason Dominguez, that's a nice one. Good Vibrations rookie card. Marcus Stroman on the silver. Ooh, got a little scratch right there. Carmen Mlodzinski on the rookie. Ooh, Anichiro on the insert. Matt McLean on the silver. J-Rod. Cedane Rafaela for the Boston Red Sox. And Mr. Met. Yes, Riley Green on the silver. My hometown team. AJ Smith Shawver. And then to the moon, Christian Encarnacion Strand. That's for the Cincinnati Reds. And Blake Snell for our silver. Tyler Soderstrom, rookie. Andy Rodriguez. Ricky Henderson on the insert. And Josh Young. It's a nice silver. Beautiful card. Cool. Moving on. Yeah, definitely great starter packs for kids. The hobby boxes are probably the most affordable for like 50 bucks. So not too bad. I was able to get a good deal, about $40 for this one on Whatnot shipped. So not too bad. Still looking for those autos or a mem of some sort. Hopefully we get something. Marco Luciano, that's a chase for the Giants. Rookie. Quinn Priester, Pirates. Weston Wilson, Phillies. Adley Rutschman. Ooh. That's the blue variant. Adley Rutschman. On the hollow foil. That's cool. Put that to the side. Good Vibrations. Bobby Witt. Yandy Diaz. That's cool. Dominic Canzone. Rookie card. Alika Williams. Trey Cabbage for the Angels. And Libby. Adolis Garcia to the moon for the Texas Rangers. And Nick Castellanos on the silver hollow. Ebert Ruiz, Matthew Liberatore, Justin Turner, Cedric Mullins, Gunnar Henderson, Cal Ripken Jr. Nice. And Yuri Perez, silver. Alright, 3 packs left. Come on, last pack magic. Hopefully we get something in these last 3 packs. Alright, here we go. Dolis Chapman. Wasabe, rookie card. Lucan Baker. Jordan Westberg. Colton Cowser. That's a good one. Good rookie card. Alan Winans. Lots of rookies in that pack. Good vibrations, Bryce Harper. And JD Martinez on the hollow foil. Wayne Thomas, Austin Wells, New York rookie. There we go. Ellie De La Cruz. Nice. On the rookie base. Seiya Suzuki. Oh, we got an auto. Luis Matos. Beautiful card. Rookie card auto. Very nice. That's beautiful. Not too shabby. Luis Matos, San Francisco Giants. Topps Big League Baseball. There we go. Beautiful auto. He just kind of wrote off the sticker just a bit. Other than that, pretty nice. So we got a blue parallel, and we got that. And we got an insert here. Heston Kjerstad for the Orioles. To the moon. Bryson Stott for the silver hollow foil. Marte Jeffers. Hancock rookie card for the Mariners. Javi Baez, Priestley, Bobby Miller, Ken Griffey on the insert, and Luis Castillo on the silver hollow. Not too shabby. So we got some good silvers in there. Kind of just do a quick rundown. Not a lot of rookies on the silvers on this box, if any. And of course we got our inserts. So you guys will see what's common. These are pretty common, I think. To the moon. It's almost every other pack. Good vibrations. Nothing too fancy with these, but it's just kind of neat. I like the mascot ones. And the drawings. Those are kind of cool too. A couple rookies in there and the inserts. And then, of course, we got our base rookies. The Ellie was probably the biggest one. But yeah, Ellie De La Cruz is definitely going to get top loaded. Austin Wells, Colton Cowser, Sabe, Cabbage, Lika Williams, Marco Luciano, Andy Rodriguez. I think he's going to be a very good player. Jason Dominguez, if he can stay healthy. Another Jason Dominguez. Curtis Mead, Luca Meckler, Henry Davis. Good team leader right there. And Parker Meadows for the Tigers. Tiger fan here, so he's going to go on top. Cool. And our 2 hits from the box. You got a blue foil Adley Rutschman. Nice looking card. Doesn't look like this one has any scratches, which is a good thing. Not numbered. And of course our Luis Matos San Francisco Giants autograph. Let me know what you guys think about Big League. I think it's a great intro into the hobby, and it's probably one of the few affordable boxes left, especially for the hobby side. $50 is not gonna break the bank, and it's still affordable. So let me know in the comments below. If you guys can, just make sure you guys like and subscribe and let me know what you think. All right, have a great day, guys.